Let's talk about LETTF Adult Foldable Electric Bicycle 12-inch, 36 volts 250 watts lithium battery aluminum alloy folding electric bike for men and women. One. Electric bicycles are powered by 36 volts and 6.6 lithium-ion batteries. Unlike gasoline-powered bicycles, they are environmentally friendly and do not require maintenance. 2. The cruising range of the electric bicycle is about 50 kilometers, the maximum speed is 25 km/h, and the charging is 34 hours. It is an ideal choice for city tour and short trip. 3. 1-second fast folding, fixed speed cruise control system, easy to carry and easy to store. 4. Aviation-grade aluminum alloy body, 250 watts brushless high-efficiency motor, front and rear double disc brakes, climbing angle 30, headlights, rear tail warning lights. 5. 3 kinds of riding modes, manpower, power, pure electric.